Move on. Let's move on. Yo, it's been how long since I listened to Bones? Like, I feel like it's probably been almost a year since I've listened to this guy. This is definitely one of the artists that I first listened to when I was starting streaming and all that. But he released a new song, Bones, Airplane Mode. Let's check it out. Very, very, very short song. Oh, holy shit! This is holy shit! This budget. Was that the guy from Stranger Things?
Fuck you. Now you ducking. When I say I got the shooters, baby, no, I'm not bluffing. Bussin'.
Is he going to his mainstream vibes now?
You cuffing. Hoes a be so obviously out here sucking, fucking, duffing. Full of dope. Smoke.
Of course.
See a choke. King bones. About to build a moat. On my throne, handcrafted it. On my throne, handcrafted it out of gold. In my coat, I keep a weapon. I let it show. If you keep on stepping, starting to wreck it. But you don't wanna breathe. Take your lungs, watch your body defreeze. What?
These motherfuckers never own shit. Airplane mode activated, don't call bitch. These motherfuckers never own shit. Airplane mode activated, don't call bitch.
Okay. I'm assuming this is like the introduction to his upcoming album or whatever. If so, oh my god, Jesus Christ. It's definitely a good starter one. Holy shit, so many Russians, dude. Bones is simply one of the best American rappers today. Extremely high quality music such. The production growth over the years has been beautiful to watch such forever. I was first introduced to Bones in 2013. Ninth grade student at the time. Now I am 23 and I still bump his music. Never plan on stopping. Okay. This makes me curious as to what he's going to drop next.